Welcome back guys to this channel Grow Your Aptitude. Currently we are learning time and work, and if you haven't watched my earlier tutorials on time and work, then there is a link to all those tutorials in the description below. I would suggest you guys go and watch those first, get your basics clear, and then come back to this one so that you can understand this tutorial better. So let's get started. There is a question: you can complete a piece of work in 10 days, working 6 hours a day, and we can complete the same work in 18 days working 5 hours a day. If they work together for 9 hours a day, how many days would they need to complete the entire work? So the question is very simple. It says first, you can complete a piece of work in 10 days working 6 hours per day. So whenever such type of questions come, what we have to find out that what is the amount of work done by you and we in 1 hour. So first of all, you takes total 10 into 60 because you can complete the work in 10 days working 6 hours a day. So the total number of hours taken by you to complete the work would be 10 into 6, that is 60 hours of work is done by you. Similarly, we can complete the same work in 18 days working 5 hours a day. So we needs total 18 into 5, that is 90 hours to complete the entire work. So we does 90 hours of work. Now, the amount of work done by you in 1 hour would be 1 by 60 and we in 1 hour would be 1 by 90. And now let's see what is the second part of the question says. If they work together for 9 hours a day, how many days would they need to complete the entire work? So, if they work together for 9 hours a day, let's see what amount of work can be completed by you and we. So, now if they work for 9 hours a day, in 1 day you and we can complete 1 by 60 plus 1 by 90. That is 1 hour work of you plus we into 9. So in 9 hours they can complete 1 by 4 part of work. That means in 1 day, if you and we work together, they can complete 1 by 4 part of work. And that is why the total amount of days taken by you and we to complete the entire work would be 4 days. Very simple. So you and we, if they work together for 9 hours a day, they can complete the entire work in 4 days. So that's all for today guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, as I have lots of videos coming just for you guys on how to solve aptitude problems. So thank you for watching, take care and see you in the next video.